Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Start by preparing 2 cups cooked, day-old rice. Fluff it with a fork and separate any clumps so each grain fries evenly. Chop 1/4 cup onion, 1/2 cup mixed carrots and peas, 2 green chilies, 1 inch ginger, and 2 cloves garlic fine. Measure 2 tablespoons coconut oil, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1/2 teaspoons salt, and 1/4 teaspoon freshly ground black pepper. Beat 3 eggs lightly with a fork and set them aside. Having everything messy in place keeps the hot wok process fast and precise. Heat a heavy skillet or wok over medium-high heat and add 2 tablespoons coconut oil until shimmering. Add 1/2 teaspoon mustard seeds and 8 curry leaves and let them splutter for 10 to 15 seconds. Add 1/4 cup onion, 1/2 cup mixed carrots and peas, 2 green chilies, 1 inch ginger, and 2 cloves garlic. Stir fry until vegetables are just tender, about 2 to 3 minutes. Push the vegetables to one side, pour in the beaten 3 eggs, and scramble quickly. Then fold in the rice and 1 tablespoon soy sauce to coat evenly. Finish the dish by tossing in 2 tablespoons chopped cilantro, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, and another drizzle of 1 teaspoon sesame oil for aroma. Taste and adjust 1/2 teaspoon salt or soy sauce as needed. For a Kerala touch, sprinkle 2 tablespoons toasted coconut or chopped roasted cashews and a few curry leaves. These add crunch and fragrance. Serve the fried rice hot with pickle or papadum on the side. Store leftovers in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days and reheat until steaming through before serving.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.